Most people compare gig apps the wrong way. But here's the truth no one tells you. On platforms like TaskRabbit and Thumbtack, better depends completely on how you want to work, not just how much you want to earn. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is choosing a platform based only on hype, instead of understanding how each one actually works. In this video, you will learn the real difference between TaskRabbit and Thumbtack in 2026, which one pays better, and which one fits beginners versus experienced workers. Let's break it down simply. TaskRabbit is a local task-based app. You get hired for quick jobs like furniture assembly, moving help, cleaning, or mounting. A worker like Alex picks tasks, completes them, and gets paid per job. Thumbtack works differently. It is more of a lead-based marketplace. You do not just pick jobs. Instead, you pay or compete for leads, and clients choose you. A freelancer like Jake might get contacted for services like home repair, photography, tutoring, or marketing. Now here's where it gets interesting. One platform is task-driven, and the other is client-driven. That difference changes everything about how you earn. But here's the problem most beginners face. They assume both apps work the same, so they apply the same strategy to both. That leads to wasted time and frustration. So, let's compare them properly. First, ease of getting started. TaskRabbit is usually easier to start, because once approved, you can start accepting tasks quickly. Thumbtack can take longer because you need to compete for leads and build a profile that attracts clients. Second, earning potential. Thumbtack can sometimes lead to higher value jobs like home services or professional work, but it is inconsistent at the beginning. TaskRabbit offers more predictable, small to medium jobs with faster payouts. Third, competition. On TaskRabbit, competition is based on ratings and availability. On Thumbtack, competition is based on pricing, response time, and how well you convert leads. A worker like John might struggle on Thumbtack early, but do better on TaskRabbit due to simpler job flow. In a minute, here's the key insight most people miss. TaskRabbit rewards speed and reliability, while Thumbtack rewards marketing and persuasion. Fourth, income stability. TaskRabbit is often more stable for daily earnings because tasks are straightforward. Thumbtack can be higher upside but less predictable. Fifth, skill requirement. TaskRabbit is better for physical hands-on tasks. Thumbtack is better if you offer specialized or professional services. So which one is better in 2026? If you want simple, quick, consistent gig work, TaskRabbit is usually better. If you want higher ticket clients and you are willing to market yourself, Thumbtack has more long-term potential. To summarize, TaskRabbit is easier and more structured, while Thumbtack is more flexible but competitive. The best choice depends on your skills, patience, and earning goals. If this helped you understand the difference clearly, like the video, comment which platform you are considering, and subscribe for more real gig economy comparisons that help you earn smarter in 2026.